Victor Hydraulics were looking for a solution to their tooling so that tools are available any time of the day. Hi, I'm Grant Cunningham. I'm the account manager here at Victor Hydraulics in Christchurch, New Zealand.
Victor Hydraulics is an industry-leading original equipment manufacturer that specialises in producing high-quality and innovative hydraulic fittings and components. Their commitment to excellence extends to the global market as they export their products worldwide. To maintain their global competitiveness, Victor Hydraulics made a strategic decision to invest in cutting-edge vending equipment and software, providing them with a distinct competitive advantage.
So the original solution here at Victor Hydraulics was we installed a Maxi unit, which they were running that for approximately 2 years. They outgrew that.
Victor Hydraulics introduced the Matrix DLS vending machine to further boost their production capacity in response to increasing demands. They further improved workflow and efficiency by integrating the Matrix ToolPort, which not only streamlined insert requirements, but also freed up extra capacity in their original Matrix tooling system, allowing storage of various essential items like end mills, drills, taps, collets, and gauging tools.
The ToolPort addition was to increase the capacity of the Maxi, but also control the high turnover single insert bends. Let me show you how easy it is. Here's a Maxi with all the drawers open. This is the type of items we keep in a drawer like this. And in the DLS, we keep longer or bulkier items that don't fit in the Maxi. Items like this roller burnisher. So with the ToolPort, with the single insert dispensing, you only get access to one unit at a time. With the Matrix ToolPort, we have total control over your insert. Everything else is locked. It's impossible to take anything else than what you've selected.
The Matrix ToolPort stores high turnover inserts for easy access by the Matrix software, which efficiently manages all 3 machines. This innovation not only improved the ToolPort's efficiency, but also freed up space in the Maxi and DLS sections.